my skin, I'm using this Swiss Beauty's Pearl Primer, or also you can call a Pose Zero Primer, and I'm applying on my skin.
For foundation, I'm using this Snapshot Ready foundation of Swiss Beauties. It's a HD high coverage foundation, not a full coverage, just medium to high coverage foundation. And applying it with the Beauty Blender, the Triangular Beauty Blender.
For concealer, I'm using the Fashion Factory concealer and concealing my under eye area, my nose, and my hyperpigmentation area, and blending with the same beauty blender we used in the foundation. For setting my base, I'm using this Naked Clemie's Naked Sex Loose powder, and with the powder brush, I'm setting my base. For brows, I'm taking this brow shaper and this makeup fixer and just spray it on a bit, and after that setting my brows on upward like this. After that we will take a brown gel liner and fill in our brows where we can see our gap or anything. In this Revolution palette, take pink glitter color and apply on your crease. I'm applying with my finger. You can apply with the wet brush, and as you know, I love to apply with my finger some glitter because it gives me more pigment, as you can see. After that, I'm taking the black Inglot gel liner and the liner brush and making a wing first. And after that, making a cat eye look and making a graphic in a graphic liner, just like it. Just nothing more than that. You have to make a point towards the inner liner to the outer corner, half outer corner. So we are done with the inner graphic liner. Just making a proper wing. I'm just connecting to the outer wing and to the inner corner. Just applied it, and after that I'm filling the gaps. Oh, as you can see, it looks beautiful, doesn't it? For making it clean look, I'm applying kajal on my lower lash line. Taking the Revolution palette again and taking the light brown color and applying on my lower lash line. Now look at the eyelashes. I just applied falsies, and then look at this look. And after that, I'm just applying blusher, the Beans blusher, Giordani's Beans blusher. And the highlighter never goes wrong. The right amount of highlighter makes your day. It's just so beautiful. I'm using the NYX Illuminator highlighter and it's superb good. Look at that. For lipstick, I'm using this bronze lipstick and applying as a lip liner with my lip brush. After that, blending it with my lip brush also all over my lips, just like it. Now I'm taking this Huda Beauty's red liquid lipstick and applying on my inner of my lips, just like doing the texture. Look at that, it looks so beautiful. Now it's time for hairstyle. I'm making a ponytail just like Ariana Grande, but she does it different. I'm so sorry, how can I compare my ponytail with Ariana Grande? It's so different. Just making a simple ponytail as up as I can. I'm just doing it, as you can see, and after that I'm just wearing a necklace and coming back to you. I hope you like this look at that. I love it so much. I really do lots of effort to make this video. I really hope you find it helpful. If yes, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates, any of my videos, skincare, hair care, makeup videos. Now, see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay glam, and I love you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for guys. Thank you so much.